Hi Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong daily gabay for February 9, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see fire signs. Anong gabay sa inyo ngayon? Anong energies for you? Trust. Maaring trust issues. Oo. Or maaring trust is about trusting yourself, trusting the universe, pagtitiwala na everything will be alright. You also have romance. Okay. So, some of you fire signs may be entering a relationship or pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ng trust issues. Nagkaroon ng trust issues within your relationship or romantic partner. Pero I think ito ay maaayos nyo, no? Kasi marami na kayong natutunan, nag-mature na kayo sa relationships, even sa past relationships ninyo. Okay? So, let's see. Some of you naman, maaring meron kayong mga bagong i-explore about spirituality or anything na nag-i-interest ka, no? Interesado ka, can be sa business, sa career mo, or anything na alam mong magdadagdag ng kaalaman. So, let's see your energy for this day. Okay, so you have the 5 of Cups, the 8 of Swords, the Queen of Wands. So, the 5 of Cups is about losses, regrets, no? So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong regrets about mga bagay na hindi nyo nagawa or ginawa ninyo, no? So, ngayon, you are freeing yourself from that situation kasi itong 8 of Swords is about negative thinking. Yung iba, parang feeling nyo you are limited. Yung iba nagkulong kinukulong nyo yung sarili nyo. Parang iniiwasan nyo na gumawa ng mga bagay na mga gusto ninyo kasi maaring merong mga taong hindi gusto yung ginagawa nyo or may mga tinatawag na naysayers, bashers na nagpapasama ng loob ninyo ngayon. Okay? So, ngayon, it's time for you to pick up the pieces again, no, with the Queen of Wands. Ito yung pagbangon. And I also see you na realizing na meron ka pang pag-asa, may pagkakataon ka pa ng baguhin yung situation mo ngayon. Lalo na kung for the longest time, marami kang iniwasan na gawin or isinantabi na gawin dahil sa nakikinig ka sa opinion ng iba at natatakot ka sa magiging resulta ng mga actions mo. So ngayon, with the Queen of Wands, you are freeing yourself, na pinapalaya mo yung sarili mo sa mga regrets, sa mga nagawa mo in the past, even yung mga bad decisions mo. You are leaving it all in the past. Okay? You have gained a lot of wisdom. Marami ka nang natutunan sa experiences mo and now you are ready to fly and spread your wings, no? Spread your wings and fly. So, let's see your energy for your money, career, finances. You have the Knight of Cups. So, meron ditong offer. Maaring offer sa trabaho, offer ng, diba? Speaking of trabaho, you have the 8 of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. So, meron ka marireceive na communication with someone. Maaring ito yung magpapakilig sa'yo sa trabaho, sa career mo na, di ba, may in-applyan ka, tapos naghihintay ka ng reply, no? Ng resulta sa in-applyan mo. So, ito, merong offer na trabaho sa'yo. There is definitely good news and I see you na talagang you're doing your best, no? Pinagbubuti mo yung iyong trabaho para lalo kang umunlad, no? You're inspiring yourself. Meron daw, binililid ka sa destiny mo ngayon. You are being called to do inspirational na career or anything that will make you align towards your divine calling, no? Yung purpose mo. You also have miscalculation. I think this is about your past mistakes sa iyong trabaho, sa iyong career, sa business mo, sa pera. So ngayon, marami ka nang natutunan dyan. And now, you are starting all over again with optimism, no? So talagang positibo yung pananaw mo dito. And then, sa relationship naman, you have the Queen of Pentacles. So you may be dealing with an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have the Six of Swords and the King of Pentacles. Wow. Andito yung King and Queen. Yan. So, with the Six of Swords, moving forward. So, I think, no, nagkaroon man kayo ng challenges ng person mo, pinili nyo na ayusin, pinili nyo na solusyonan yung problema ninyo. Ngayon, you are moving towards a new direction sa relationship ninyo. Yung iba rito pwedeng nagkaroon ng issue sa mga in-laws ninyo or sa mga taong nakikialam sa relationship ninyo at kumbaga naapektuhan yung yung harmony ng relasyon ninyo. So ngayon, inayos nyo yung relationship, nag-usap, nagkaroon kayo ng konkretong plano sa kung ano yung gusto nyong marating as a couple. Oo. So ngayon, yes, you are moving to calmer waters. Any issues before inyong sinasantabi na, di ba? Nakakaloko. May reconciliation talaga. So, meron kayong inayos na issue sa inyong relationship. And, meron ding freedom. Sabi rito, don't let anyone take control of your love life but you. O, diba? Maaring may nakikialam talaga sa relationship ninyo. Dahil dun sa pakikialam na yon, lalong, instead na maging maayos yung relasyon nyo, lalong nagugulo. So, kung ganun rin lang, ay mas maganda na umalis kayo sa ganyang environment para magkaroon kayo ng sarili nyong desisyon, no? Na walang nakikialam. Oo. So, some of you, pwedeng nakatira kayo sa in-laws ninyo or pwedeng may mga kaibigan na nakikialam, no? But I think pipiliin nyo na magstay together because I feel like there is so much love within you na gusto nyo pareho kayong mag-grow at mas mapaunlad nyo yung buhay nyo together. Okay? So that is your reading, fire signs. Thank you so much. Bye!